Welcome back there, buds. Today I'm going to show you a quick 2-minute or less tip on this Tuesday. I just got done finished stripping this tabletop, and I'm going to show you a quick little tip that I like to do when I'm stripping a table or anything with a very large flat surface to just save you some time with cleanup and make it look a little bit more nice and professional. When I'm stripping a tabletop like this, I like to leave that inside edge of that joint where the tabletops meet unstripped. I like to come back with a little bit of sandpaper, or in this case a cabinet scraper, to clean up any remaining finish. You're going to save yourself a lot of cleanup from stripper that spill down over the edge, and also you're not going to gouge that surface with your putty knife when you're scraping the stripper off, creating more work and headaches. Using this card scraper, I can get that finish all off in about a minute. They're fairly easy to use. They might take a little bit of getting used to if you're not used to this type of work, but once you learn how to use one and care for one, they will be your best friend, and they have a wide array of uses around the wood shop. Shout out to my new best bud, Rag & Bone Brown. He's inspired me to get into more scraping with my stripping. You can check out one of his videos and a link at the end where he strips an entire piece with a scraper. He's a scraper king. This is the cabinet scraper that I've been using. It is made by Crown Hand Tools out of England, and you can get 2 in a set with the burnisher for around $30. I'll provide a link in the description. And if you've never used one, just look a few videos up here on YouTube. It seems everybody uses one and sharpens one differently, so just pick your favorite. Just in time, it's Mr. Bucko Babinski here to check my work. He is our shop quality inspector. Well, he seemed pretty pleased with that work, and he also wanted to say thanks for watching, and subscribe and follow along with all the future projects. See you next time, buds.